You are welcome here to my another tutorial how to create mark laser with automatic grade sheet in MS Excel. In this part 1 tutorial, I am going to design mark laser. Let's start with me. First of all, open Microsoft Excel blank sheet. Please type name of your school in the first cell. Then type address of your school in the second cell. Give the name of your examination. Please give roll number, name of student, subject, course type, full marks, then pass marks. Then type your subject. Please give the marks for theory, grade for theory, then marks for practical, grade for practical, total marks. Total GPA, then total grade. Then type for another subject. Then copy and paste the subject title for another. Then create a table by giving a border as given in the screen. To give a border, please select the desired cell. Then click on the all border. Then merge the desired cell to give a nice look. Here I am merging and adjusting the cell size. Please adjust the cell size as given in the screen. After adjusting the cell size and font, please give the background color as in the screen. To give the serial number, please type the first number, press the Ctrl key, then drag your mouse by click on the corner. This gives the automatic serial number. Then give the name of student as given in the screen. Then merge the unnecessary cell by selecting them. Please fill the marks in the all cell like this. Please type the formula for total. Start with is equals to cell location of theory, that is D6, plus cell location of practical, that is F6. Then hit the enter. Similarly, apply the formula for the total of the another subject as the first subject. Instead of the typing the cell location, you can click on the desired cell. For to copy the formula, click on the corner, then drag your mouse as given in the screen. Then give the marks for all subject, for theory and for practical.